Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stu and the Crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be making some patio decor using items from the Dollar Tree. So let's go over the supplies. So I'm going to use 4 coasters for each one of our planters, as well as one of these little wood crafting boxes from Dollar Tree. You can use garden foam. It's really up to you. We're also going to use some greenery and flowers. Anyone will do that you like for your planter here. And then we're going to use some scissors to cut the stems of the flowers down, some hot glue to help hold while the long-term glue is holding. I'm going to use this multi-purpose cement from Dollar Tree. We're going to use 2 of these glass votive lanterns and 2 of the garden solar stakes from the Dollar Tree. And last but not least, we're going to use some of this all-purpose caulking from Dollar Tree as well. So let's get crafty. So the first thing I did was take my multi-purpose cement. This is the first time I've ever used this. I really like it a lot. So you just put some of that on the back of your coaster, center it, and line up that bottom edge so that you can put that on the box there. And this is going to be our first side. So then we just flip that over, and we're going to do the exact same thing for the second coaster. Just put some of that multi-purpose cement on there. It starts to set up really quickly. It's pretty hot outside too, so I think that helped. And just make sure that that is attached really well, and then you can go ahead and stand it up once it's starting to set. You can use some hot glue as well there. So then taking that glue, we're going to put that on the top edges of these coasters because of the way the box is for the sizing. These coasters will not sit against the box. So we're going to set that right up on the top of these edges here. And then we're going to do the same thing for the fourth side. So we do have little spaces in between the 2 sides there, and the other 2 sides are attached to that wooden box there. And that kind of helped out at the end because it was nice to help hold the flowers in place where we wanted those along the edges, so we could fill in that whole space without having to use any crafting foam for outside. So then taking some of our caulking, we're just going to put this on all 4 edges here. Again, like I said, since this is going to be outside, I wanted to make sure it had a nice sealed edge there, and that it was going to stay together outside in the heat and in the rain and things. So then once that was on, I just took the insert to that box and slid that back in, and then I started to put the greenery down the edges in that open space, and then I also put some more down in that hole in the center to help keep it spread out so I didn't have to use as much of the greenery. Then I took some hot glue and started to put that on the flowers and just put those around the inside of the box there. And this is what it looks like finished. I made 2 of those. I just love those. Now for these lanterns, these are super simple. All you're going to do is take these 2 solar stake lights, and you're going to pull that stick right off. Just takes a little tug and it comes right off. And these are the perfect size for these little lanterns. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the jar. It takes a little bit of work to kind of pop it in, but once you do, it has a nice tight seal there. As you can see, I didn't do the second one yet, so you want to make sure you push that all the way down. Then you're going to take some of that all-purpose caulking, and you're going to seal the edge between the glass and the solar light. This helps so rain doesn't get down inside of your jar, because once those lights are down in there, they're really hard to get back out. So it wasn't quite dark enough yet, so I just put my hand over the light so you could see what it looks like when it's on. So I thought these were really cute. I love them outside on my patio. The pillows on my furniture are blue, so I thought these coasters looked really nice with the pillows. I just love how these turned out. I hope you guys did too. They're super simple to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like and share this video, and here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I'll see you next time.